Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we turn hair woes into hair wows. Today, I'm going to share with you my top 10 steps to get that shiny, healthy, and beautiful hair you've always dreamed of. So grab your hairbrush, and let's get started. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. Step 1 is all about cleansing. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to gently remove dirt without stripping your hair of its natural oils. Step 2. Moisturizing conditioner. After shampooing, apply a moisturizing conditioner. Focus on the ends of your hair, which are the oldest and most fragile parts. Step 3. Weekly hair mask. Once a week, treat your hair to a deep conditioning mask. It's like a spa day for your strands. Step 4. Cold water rinse. Rinse your hair with cold water to close the cuticles and lock in moisture, giving you that extra shine. Step 5. Protect from heat. Before using any heat styling tools, always protect your hair with a heat protectant spray to prevent damage. Step 6. Trim regularly. Get regular trims to keep split ends at bay and your hair looking healthy. Step 7. Healthy diet. What you eat matters. A diet rich in vitamins and minerals will nourish your hair from the inside out. Step 8. Gentle styling. Be gentle when styling. Use a wide-tooth comb to detangle and avoid tight hairstyles that can cause breakage. Step 9. Avoid overwashing. Don't overwash your hair. Washing it too often can strip it of its natural oils. Stick to 2 to 3 times a week. Step 10. Nighttime care. Lastly, take care of your hair at night. Sleep on a silk pillowcase or wear a hair bonnet to reduce friction and prevent breakage. And there you have it, folks, 10 steps to beautiful hair. Remember, consistency is key. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to healthier, more gorgeous hair in no time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care magic. See you in the next video.